Today I'm going to share with you how to make this Caribbean style carrot drink. This is so easy to make and it is absolutely creamy and delicious. You're going to need fresh carrots, sweetened condensed milk, nutmeg, and I use freshly grated nutmeg, and you're also going to need vanilla extract. I've already washed the carrots and I am going to peel the carrots using my peeler. You can also use the brush as you wash the carrots, and this helps to remove some of the skin as well. If you are new here, I am Jehan of Jehan Can Cook, and if you're looking for this recipe, it will be linked below in the description box. All of the recipes are on my blog jehancancook.com. That way you can pin it, you can print it, or email it. Now once I've peeled all of the carrots, I am just going to cut off the ends. Once I've done that, I'm going to cut the carrots into about 1-inch pieces. And I am making this using my blender, but if you have a food processor, you can use that as well. You just need something that is going to blend the carrot up really, really fine. The reason why we're doing it this way is because you want to extract the juice. I have a juicer and I chose not to use it for the purpose of this video because I know most people don't own juicers, but most of us do own blenders. Now I'm going to add the chopped carrots to my blender, and to that I am adding water. I'm going to cover it up and then I am going to pulse it. And you're just going to pulse this until the carrot is finely pureed. You want to get this as fine as possible so you can extract the juice. Next, I'm going to pour it into a fine strainer. You want to make sure that none of the pulp gets into the pitcher. I was introduced to this drink by my Jamaican husband many years ago, and I was just pleasantly surprised. Once I've poured all of the pulp into the strainer, I am going to use a spoon and just gently press the pulp with the back of the spoon to extract any additional juice that might be trapped in the pulp. Now I'm going to blend it a second time, so I'm going to add more water. I'm going to add about half the amount of liquid this time and blend it once again to get even more juice from the pulp. Now I'm going to repeat the process by pouring the pulp through the strainer and then pressing it with the back of a spoon. I'm going to flavor this using nutmeg and vanilla, but you can also add cinnamon or a splash of rum. Let me know below in the comment section if you've made this drink before. What do you add in your version? And I'm just grating the nutmeg into the carrot drink. Nutmeg is very potent, so you don't need a ton of it. I'm adding the vanilla extract and then that sweetened condensed milk. Now you know if condensed milk is in there, that it's good. And while this seems like a lot, the drink will not be sweet. It will be perfectly sweetened. And I'm just going to stir it around just to mix everything together. And as you can see, the condensed milk is changing the color of the carrot juice and making it this rich and creamy orangish, almost like a creamsicle color. Just be sure to scrape the bottom to make sure that you're mixing in all of the condensed milk. And that is it. It's time to serve it up and to enjoy. Thank you guys for joining me. And if you've enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up and I'll see you next time.